What's up everyone, my name is Alex Costa, and if you're a long-time subscriber of the channel, you should definitely have a basic grooming routine unlocked by now. But today I wanted to go one step further, to help you guys look amazing by being perfectly groomed. So I asked around, I did a lot of research, and I came up with a list of 7 habits of extremely well-groomed men. And here is that list. Number 1, you guys already know you need to wash and moisturize your face twice a day. That's normal, we talked about it, but the next step here is to exfoliate your skin. Most guys don't exfoliate your skin, and it's such a missed opportunity because the results are amazing. Exfoliating is basically scrubbing your face very lightly with, of course, exfoliating products that will get rid of dead skin cells to reveal brand new fresh skin. If you're suffering from acne, if you have spots on your face that you want to smooth out, if you want clear skin, you should start exfoliating right away. The secret though is to exfoliate only 2 to 3 times a week, because if you overdo it, it will actually cause damage and dry out your skin. So 2 to 3 times a week is enough. Give it a try for a couple of weeks and trust me, your skin will look so much nicer. You're gonna hate yourself for not actually starting sooner. Next up, a pet peeve of mine, and this is for you guys there with the hairy necks back here, okay? Listen, you don't have to get a haircut every single week. That's fine, it's expensive, but you have to shave the back of your neck at least between haircuts. Otherwise, you're just gonna look sloppy. You can be the best dressed man in an amazing outfit, but if you can't even tell your head from your neck here, there's no separation, then it's time for a change, all right? The secret is to just use a small mirror like this one here to shave it yourself. You don't even need help. Just make sure that you don't go too high up or you're gonna end up messing your hairline. You don't want that. The goal here is to shape up the back of your neck a little bit, not to give yourself a new haircut with a razor, okay? The razor that I'm using today is from our longtime sponsor, Dollar Shave Club. Not only are their razors amazing, but they're actually super affordable. Plus, they have more than just razors. They now have toothpaste, body wash, hair styling products, cologne, basically everything you need to level up your grooming routine. Plus, they're offering a starter kit for you guys who are trying new products, want to try something new. And guess what? The price is crazy. Only $5 for the starter kit. The kit comes with a body cleanser, 3 one-wipe Charlies for down there. Make sure that you're fresh at all times, you know what I mean? Some shave butter and 1 executive razor so you can get the back of your neck as well as, of course, other areas of your body perfectly smooth. I keep 1 razor in my bathroom and 1 in my DOP kit to make sure that I can shave on the go. When I'm traveling, which as you guys know, if you follow me on Instagram, it's all the time, I love being on the go. And besides being super affordable, the best thing about Dollar Shave Club is the convenience. You order online, it shows up by your doorstep. No more like last minute trips to the pharmacy to get super expensive, overpriced razors. So if you want to try these products out for a crazy price, all you have to do is go to dollarshaveclub.com/AlexCosta to get this starter kit for only $5 shipped. I'll leave the link for Dollar Shave Club in the description right below the video. Go check them out. And since we're talking about hair, since we're talking about beards, let's get into that. Trimming your beard is okay. Every guy knows it. It has to be done, right? I'm not gonna sit here and go into detail because it's obvious. But a lot of guys seem to forget other parts of their bodies. They also need to be trimmed, okay? Mostly anything that's visible, whether you have really hairy hands, really hairy fingers, ears, nose especially, or even your forearms, depending on what it looks like. And no, I'm not saying you should shave your arms, your legs. There's no need for that. What I suggest is keeping it tight, meaning, maybe bring the length down from like this long. Maybe it's time to bring it down to like this long right here. So you don't have to lose any items in that forest that's growing on your arm. You know what I mean? And the same for everything else. Super hairy hands, no problem, just use some scissors, bring it down a bit if you want to look better. And of course, nose and ear hair should never be visible. Always trim them down, keep an eye out for anything that's visible because those need to go. The next habit that you should develop if you're trying to look your best, and this one I haven't really talked about much here on the channel, but honestly, it's a staple in my skincare routine. Face masks at least once a week. No, but face masks are girly, I don't like face masks. Look, stop. Face masks are nothing more than just leave-in product that you apply to your skin on your face. Some masks you leave for 20 minutes, others you leave for an hour. It does its thing, it does its job, and then you just wash it off. It's not girly, it's just taking care of your skin. The first thing, I'll tell you guys, the first thing that I do when I get home after a long trip is, of course, take a shower, get clean, get comfortable, and then throw a face mask on. It's a life changer, I'm telling you, especially for you guys who feel like your skin is dry and it needs more life. There are so many good masks for hydrating your skin. And if you have some spots, some zits, blackheads, whatever it is, then you get a face mask that is made from some type of clay, and those will clear it right out. Like, you notice the difference right away. Don't judge it until you try it, and I can guarantee that once you try a face mask for the first time, you're gonna be addicted. You're gonna wanna do it more often because your skin will change immediately. Which brings me to my next tip, learn more about products. Don't buy the same product over and over again just because it's the first one that you've ever tried. There are some amazing products out there and you should definitely do your research before buying anything. I recommend you try different hair products, different colognes, different face wash, see how it goes. Everyone's body is gonna be different and is going to react differently to products. So read about them online, watch more grooming videos, become educated on the subject before you start applying all of those different products on your face and your hair. Like I said, Dollar Shave Club is great because it has everything and for an amazing price. It's a great way to discover new products you never knew you needed. All right, this next tip is something that if you're not doing this, you need to start right now. And that is become friends with your barber / your hairstylist. Look, they cut anywhere between like 8 to 12 heads a day. All right, what makes you special? Why are you gonna get this special treatment? Well, I'll tell you why, okay? Because you remember their name. You remember the conversations that you've had about this guy's girlfriend or his kids or his car or his dog. You're polite and you tip them. If you do that, they will always take good care of you and give you the best cut possible. Another pro tip for you, schedule your next cut right away. So when you go to get your haircut, this is what I do. When I go to get my haircut, I just schedule my next appointment right away. Like I know how fast my hair grows. I know what parties or trips or events I have coming up, which means I know when I need to look my best. So if your guy's always busy, which if he's good, he should be busy, then book sooner than later so you're not begging him for a cut when you need it. Having a fresh cut is definitely a habit that every guy needs to develop. And if you need any hairstyling inspiration, definitely check me out on Instagram at Alex Costa for some pictures of my hairstyle and how you can achieve it if you like it. But listen, you can be nice to your barber, you can talk a lot, you can be super cool, but if your oral hygiene is bad, then actually he's not gonna wanna talk to you or not gonna wanna listen to you because it just smells bad, all right? So flossing is one of the most important steps to get rid of bad breath. Basically, the little pieces of food that get stuck in between your teeth, they start decomposing and that is why it smells so bad in there. So get them out with some floss. Once or twice a day is perfect. Of course, mouthwash will definitely help and a tongue brush will get all of that food that's stuck on your tongue out. That also decomposes in there and causes bad smell. Brushing your teeth is okay. That's the basic level here, all right? It'll help. But doing the rest is how we make sure that our breath is super fresh and amazing so we can be confident because we know how bad breath can honestly, it can kill a work deal if you're trying to close a work deal. It can kill a first date if you're trying to close that. So yeah, just floss, mouthwash, tongue brush, you're good. Besides brushing your teeth. DollarShave.com/Alex Costa is where you guys should go right now. The link is below to get your $5 starter kit from Dollar Shave Club shipped to your house for free. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to subscribe. I post videos about grooming, men's hair, fashion, fitness. So hit the bell, subscribe, make sure that you're not missing the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you again soon. Peace.